Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom today. I'll show you my colors off the bat. So I've got, this is Brilliant Purple by DecoArt Americana. I'm using a few DecoArts today. I have Amethyst, Extreme Sheen, Metallic. And I have, this one is pretty, Jadeette, it's called Extreme Sheen. Turquoise green. I also have Pebeo blue green, which I love. Any more? And then I'm going to use, it's just a lavender base that I've mixed together with my color to go. I was running low, so I had some lavender paint that I mixed in with it. It'll go okay with this one. I'll just spread it like this. All right. Debating what to do first. I think I'll do this and then I'll do, no, I think we'll do the amethyst first. Then I'll do the Jadeette. And then I'll do the Brilliant Purple. And I'll do the blue green. It's a gorgeous color. I've got my cell activator is black. I like black. I think I'm going to add a little bit more Floetrol. Just a little bit. I usually do 3 to 1. This one will be almost 3 or 4 to 1. It's Australian Floetrol. I order it directly right from the manufacturer. All right. Just going to use my mini blower today. Got a little bit of white, but oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna do my regular modifying today in this one. I might just do another one and then I'll reverse the colors and see how that goes. It's very pretty though, look at that. Just let the middle relax a bit. It's amazing how sometimes you get a black blob in the middle with no cells, and then sometimes you get cells. It all depends on how you blow it, I guess. I blew it right down and then out. Very pretty though. Peacock. Except for that. Oh well, you can't have them all. I don't want to ruin too much. I'm just going to go around the outside. I want that middle to move. Add quite a bit of paint down. Oh, I like this one. Lots of contrast. Go the other way. Let's see if it's moving. Just a little bit more, maybe. Let's save some of this paint. Let's give it another spin. Okay. I think that's good. I'm going to leave this. I'm going to do another one. Just try and save some of this paint. All right, let's hold that up for you. I'll be right back. All right, I've got a new tile. Pour down some more paint. Okay. I didn't put my gloves on today. I forgot. Break a couple of these bubbles. This time, I'm going to reverse the color. So I'm going to put down PBO blue-green. Brilliant purple. Now these colors are supposed to be thinner than your base paint. Thinner or the same, but I try to do them a little bit thinner. All right, let's see how this one comes out. Use my mini blower again. That's pretty too. A little bit of white, but not much. Let's wait for that middle. That's very pretty also. It almost looks the same. Less turquoise around the edge. I got purple. Usually the top color is the outside color. There. Oh, I got a mess going on. A little bit more of that jadette showing. Let's get some more spins. Oh, I love it. It's very gorgeous. I don't know know which one's my favorite. They're both beautiful. Make sure the middle's not moving. Another spin. There. Okay, I'll show you both of these now. All right, let's lift this up. Clean the bottom off. Now you don't, sometimes I tape the back, sometimes I don't, but I usually tape it before I resin it. And then if it's going to be exposed, I'll paint the back. Let's get this out of the way. There, let's see. Oops, almost dropped it. Let's show you this way. There. How pretty they are. Aren't they nice? I don't know which one I like the best. They're both gorgeous. This one's really nice. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and then come back to Carol's Art Room. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you my dried tiles. They dried so pretty. Really nice. Nice shine to them. That's a very nice one. And this one here turned out really good too. That light green just sparkles in there around that purple. It's pretty, pretty nice. I love these. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.